My work focuses dun sa mga overlooked surfaces and fragments within urban environment. So, tinatranslate nito yung varied textures and traces of decay, human activity, and yung passage of time into contemplative paintings. Ako si Josia Felicia. So, yung paintings ko, nagsisimula siya sa mga immediate places na I move through every day while commuting and walking around the city. So, I spend a lot of time observing small details such as cracks on roads and sidewalks, yung mga sira-sirang wall surfaces, waiting shed, reflections sa mga tubig sa kalsada, and other fragments ng urban landscape. So, sa paintings ko dito sa exhibition, nag-emerge to mula sa mga observations na yun. Yung Where My Great Egret Rests, one, based siya sa parts ng lagoon sa UP Diliman, kung saan I usually spend time sitting and doing nothing. Isang araw may nakita akong great egret, ibon siya, na naglalakad din dun sa water lilies. Watching the bird wander through the lagoon gave me a sense of joy, and I found myself relating to that moment of exploration and quiet freedom. So, in response, I exaggerated the light and composition in the painting to evoke that same feeling of joy, wonder, and discovery. So, sa other painting naman, Mountain Beneath the Concrete Wall, based siya sa isang street sa Marikina City, yung Jose Abad Santos Street, kung saan nakita ko ng isang bahay na may concrete wall marked by a large crack that resembled a mountain emerging from its surface. So, looking at it, I imagined myself entering that mountain and moving into a different realm ng consciousness. Through the painting, I transformed an ordinary fragment of the urban landscape into a space for imagination where familiar surface becomes a doorway to another way of seeing and experiencing the world.